Welcome to Door County Drone, where we explore the people, places, and vessels that shape the Great Lakes. In this feature, we take a closer look at the SS Badger, a National Historic Landmark, now in the graving dock at Sturgeon Bay for repairs at Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding. It's a return to her birthplace and a powerful reminder of the region's deep shipbuilding heritage. Her keel was laid on the shores of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, built in 1952 by the Christy Corporation, a shipyard known for its craftsmanship and contribution to Great Lakes and naval shipbuilding. The SS Badger was commissioned by the Chesapeake and Ohio Railway to serve as a railcar ferry, part of a fleet that carried entire freight trains across Lake Michigan, bypassing congested rail routes. She entered service in 1953, stretching 410 feet long and powered by twin Skinner Unaflow steam engines, a powerhouse of her time. What made her unique then still makes her legendary today. The Badger is now the last coal-fired passenger steamship operating in the United States. A National Historic Landmark, she carries not only vehicles and passengers between Ludington, Michigan, and Manitowoc, Wisconsin, but also the enduring legacy of American steam and steel. Now, more than 70 years later, she's returned to her birthplace, not for launching, but for renewal. Here in Sturgeon Bay, once again, the Badger rests in the grading dock at Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding. It's a homecoming of sorts. Her massive propellers and drive shafts are being carefully removed and inspected, critical work to ensure her continued service across Lake Michigan. The cold of winter has passed, and the shipyard hums with motion. Welders, riggers, and engineers tend to this grand old vessel with the kind of respect only time can earn. Soon, she'll steam back to Ludington, her home port, ready for another season bridging the two shores of Lake Michigan. More than a ship, the Badger is a survivor, a link to the past, and a proud reminder that steam still lives here on the Great Lakes. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.